The Dragon's Way Qigong use the Qigong to discover your self-healing power, or you discover your inherited wisdoms. You can experience the Qi, you can use the Qi, then you also can understand the Qi is real. Then that Qi is not just physical Qi, it's nature's Qi, it's your organs' Qi, it's the full Qi. The entire universe is the Qi. So the Qi is so important, then the Qigong become important. Each organ, each meridians will cooperate together, will create new healing things. Your body, your emotions, your lives will change. The Dragon's Way is your way. Then freedom is in your hand.